So first, you need to turn the MacBook into recovery mode by pressing Option, Command, and R button. So we'll enter the recovery mode, which will take about 4 to 6 minutes. So when it goes to the utility menu, it shows like this. So I choose the disk utility to wipe it out. Then on this page, I choose Macintosh HD and choose wipe out. Now it starts erasing the disk. So this step will erase all the data of your MacBook, just to make sure you back up all the important files. So when the erasing is finished, if you find no errors of the disk, and then you go to disk utility and then quit. Then back to the utility page and choose reinstall macOS Monterey. Click continue. And here choose the disk you just erased and click continue. So now the Mac is downloading the OS software, which may take about 1 hour. It depends on the internet you have, internet status. So here it says about 52 minutes left.